This is the Line Driver by Gerber. So the Line Driver really was born on the river. A friend and I were fishing and we found ourselves changing flies out so often to try and catch picky fish that just the actual act of tying a knot became this burdensome ordeal. We got back to the truck, found the first piece of paper we could and sketched it out, and the Line Driver was born. The dual-ended Line Driver has 6 essential functions, starting out with the hook vise. So what the hook vise actually allows you to do is not hold the hook with your fingers. The tool does it for you, and it also allows you to spin the hook while you tie the knot. When you're done tying the knot, you've got something besides the hook to hold on to while you're cinching it home. In addition to the hook vise, there's an eyelet clearing spike that you can knock paint out of jig head eyelets and get old line out of your flies as well. Tethering point and a pocket clip keep it close at hand and secure to your body. The line cutter on the Line Driver both allows you to use it as a conventional line cutter. This has dual serrations for tougher situations like larger diameter line. There's a lockout function on the Line Driver that actually closes the line cutter part way so that you're able to drag line through it quickly and cut line without actually touching the tool. The line cutter also turns into a nice little pair of pliers to crimp down split shot. I've also used it in a pinch to knock barbs off of hooks. On the same end as the line cutter is a hook threading device. It gives you a funnel to make it a lot easier to thread fine line through small eyelets. It really speeds up the process. The faster you can get a fly or a lure onto your line, the more time it spends in the water and the better chance you have of catching a fish. The approach that we took with the Line Driver is the same approach we take with a lot of multi-tools. It is designed specifically for line management. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Grab hold of the Real Avid Gun Tool Pro AR-15. 35 mission-specific tools and its rugged, compact design keep you and your weapon in the action. The 12-function bolt carrier group scraper has a cotter pin puller, making breakdown easy. This scraper has 12 precision profiles machined to match critical dimensions of the bolt, firing pin, and inside of the carrier. It scrapes off everything in its path, leaving no place for carbon to hide. When spent brass jams between the charging handle and the bolt carrier, clear it with the bolt override tool. Drop your magazine, hook the bolt override tool over the front of the bolt, and pull back sharply. The obstruction is cleared and you're back in the game. An 8/32 threaded receiver extends from the Sure Grip handle. It accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes. A pin punch rides on board for easy disassembly, paired with a built-in tap hammer on the opposite side for stubborn pins. A magnetic 1/4-inch bit driver is located on the front for fine adjustments and on the side for added torque. In addition, Allen, Phillips, and flat bits are double-ended and carried in a spring-loaded hatch. Torx T20, T15, and T10 drivers fold out of the tool. Also included is an A1 and A2 front sight adjuster. There's a rugged claw point utility knife made of 420 stainless. A magnetic storage compartment keeps spare parts at hand. There's also a file for added versatility. The AR-15 tool lives in a MOLLE-compatible ballistic nylon sheath. The Real Avid Gun Tool Pro AR-15. You won't find this tool hanging on a plumber's belt.